not quite what it seems, or anything that I was told it'd be. New York, you know, you make my heart skip. In my dreams I make it into Vegas. Seattle hits me every time. I can't get Chicago off my mind. New Jersey taught me how to let go, and I've learned that's all that